Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at a copy of Dose from Mattel. This is a 2018 card game for 2 to 4 players, ages 7 and up, made by the people that brought you Uno. It's just a variation on that, which a lot of these have been pretty interesting, often special rules, things like that. So let's take a look at what is in here. So let's see, does it tell us how many cards are in here? No, of course not. Contents are under a big sticker. There's 108 cards plus instructions. So let's see what this looks like. Alright, here's our instructions. Really okay paper, kind of mediocre. This retails for between $5 and $10, depending on what store you buy it at. Usually I would pick these up at like a big box store. They're usually $5 or $6 there. So inside we've got 108 cards, 24 blue cards, 3 of each, 1, 3, 4, and 5, 2 each of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 2 each of wild numbers. 24 green cards, same makeup, 24 red cards, same, 24 yellow, same makeup, 12 wild dose cards. Object of the game, earn points by being the first player to get rid of all your cards in each round. So that we've got description of everything, wild cards, etc. Ending the round scoring, usual rules, and on the back it's in Spanish. So that's the rules. Let's take a look at our cards. Alright, let's start with this deck because it's the one closest to my hand, I guess. I don't know, I got no reason for it. There's a little perforation thing to open these, like usual. So let's see what we've got here. Alright, the colors are nice and vibrant. And finally, another number 1. So that's the first stack. Let's take a look at our other stack. As you can see, the dose backing is pretty cool, pretty straightforward. And lastly, 1. Alright, that is what is inside the DOS card game from 2018 from Mattel. 2 to 4 players, ages 7 and up. Looks like a simplified version of Uno, quite frankly. Less things, less reverses, draw twos, that sort of thing. So, pretty standard. Cards are really nice quality. Standard size for the Uno game. I'm kind of impressed with it. I thought it'd be lower quality, but it's actually pretty good. And it looks like an interesting take on an old game. So, I'd recommend this one. If you can find it for a reasonable price, I would say go for it. But we've seen what's in the packaging, and you've heard my take on it. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, links to my Patreon, Streamlabs, and of course the Teespring store are all in the description. And if you can't support financially, just share the video around on your social media. That helps quite a bit. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.